I'm Mike Wood. Welcome to the Edmonds Art Studio Tour. Let me show you around. I guess I don't need this, huh? Here's the guy I made, keeping our distance, 6 feet. So this is kind of where I create everything. Here's some works in progress. Some guys who haven't finished yet. Some guys who haven't entered the kiln, but will be soon. These guys are pretty dried out. Some of the tools that I use to make my creations. Here's just a lot of stuff on my wall that kind of inspires me. We're not going to talk to these guys. There's my good old dog Strider. God rest his soul. Some outdoor work, some peepers, things that need to be repaired, just general messiness of an artist. Sketchbooks. This is where I kind of cook up my ideas and then I try to make them into clay. Assorted little guys. Here's some guys that are available on my website for the studio tour. Kind of Halloween-y. Gremlins, ghosts, skulls, that kind of stuff. Peepers. Yeah, there's his little friend. Old door. Just walking about. All kinds of stuff throughout the house. There's a cheetalope. Her? I don't think you want to mess with her. Pussy riot girl. Also make a lot of stuff outside. Smoky day today. There's a little wolf boy. All the kind of stuff that I do outside is more high-fired ceramic work, kind of made to withstand the elements outside year-round. Kind of into monsters if you haven't figured that out yet. Totems. Somebody's taking a nap out there. Hey Loki. Want a treat? There's a fountain. There's some more bird baths. And more assorted totems and creatures. So again, so sorry I didn't get to see you this year in person. Hopefully when this pandemic is over, we will resume the Edmonds Art Studio Tour. And I'll see you in person next year. So until then, take care.